courts. The High Court has ruled that court documents can now be served electronically after a successful challenge by a local law firm, Scanlen Holderness.
A new legal precedent has been set following a landmark ruling handed down on the 23rd of this month after legal practitioner Mrs. Riana successfully applied to the High Court of Zimbabwe to serve summons by way of email to respondents resident in Zambia. Mrs. Moss successfully lodged the application for the service of court documents by a click of a mouse after initial 2 attempts of using traditional methods of service failed to yield any results. The respondents, Edmund Chikwedere and Zamir Civils Private Limited, were expected to collect the court papers from the Zambian sheriff, and if they failed, service would be effected by the correspondent Zambian lawyers. At the address provided by the respondents, Mrs. Moss effected service of summons for the provisional sentence by way of email after being granted the order to do so under case number HC 8340/13. The main matter, which is the claim for a debt owed to a client, was set down for hearing on the 23rd of October 2013 before Justice Chigumba. The matter was opposed by Mr. Madzoka and Mr. Wintertons, who both challenged the legality of serving summons through electronic mail. Mrs. Moss, however, successfully convinced the court that it should not be concerned with whether the respondents read and understood the contents of the email, as what matters is proof that the email is operative and utilized by respondents. And to the Rotten Row Magistrates Court, Chen Goale